Right, we are going to be launching our Django app to Heroku. This is the workshop number 4 for Webapp Foundations by Tech Dojo. This is Winson speaking, and listening to some Amy Winehouse in the background. So sit back and enjoy. Let's vibe code together. So the first thing I did was make sure I'm in the right spot. And here, PWD shows that I'm in Winson T1 block. So I'm actually in this top level container. So if I do a ls, I can see everything. So I'm in this yeah. So now, what do we do next? I type this, launch Django app to Heroku. Because everything is set up already, let me just deactivate this for a sec. When you're using a Python project, you must always have a virtual environment. So when activate, this is the magic keywords if you have a virtual environment. Otherwise, you have to create one first. Python manage.py run server. This allows me to then check it out. Oops. Just option click for me. Yep, and I've got my medium-ish blog. So what do you want to do now? So I keyed in launch Django app to Heroku, and this was the proposed changes. So we can see that we can launch it from our local host, so it's working. So now let's try to productionize it in cloud. So these were the changes that was requested. Requirements, text file, adding some additional packages. Proc file. You need this proc file if you're going to be launching Heroku apps. It just runs a Gunicon for your web server. And runtime txt. You should pick a Python type as well. So yeah, that's my Python. 3.13.0. Then updating the settings. I'm actually not sure. Anyway, so now I've already implemented all those changes earlier with the agent mode, and now I'm gonna deploy it. So firstly, just run this and just stop the server. Control C. So Command V. So brew tab Heroku /brew and brew install Heroku. So it just downloads the latest Heroku installations. If you're on Mac, that's really easy. So yeah, try to get a Mac if you can. But otherwise, you can always follow. Use Windows sub Linux system if you're on Windows. We can help you with the configuration if you need. So all the bottles, just gotta wait for the Heroku bottle. And one of the attendees today was actually having a really old, like 2017 MacBook Pro. Looks really slick, but man, it couldn't install Heroku in like half an hour, I think. So you just had to watch the other participant finish. But it was really fun anyway. Sometimes you don't really understand our systems until we test them out. So yeah, still installing Heroku, as you can see. Love blue. Okay, so just make sure that we run Heroku login. Make sure that we're logged in. I think we're logged in already. Oh, we're not. So I got login. Okay. Let me get my verification code. So check out my Google Authenticator app. Okay. So my Heroku one is verify. Great. So I'm logged in. So if I go back, yep, I am logged in as winson.t@gmail.com. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a new app. So you can see Heroku, create your app name. Let's do Heroku, create tech dojo blog, Hack Dojo. Heck yes. So now it's created an app, but I don't think there's anything there yet. Nice. So it's got small like Heroku welcome to your new app page, and even documentation too. Alright, so now I'm gonna set some environment variables. So what's the secret key? Okay, so we have this. Wow. Okay, I need to set the secret key. That's okay. Change it later. So placing the key. Ooh, nice. Clear. Set allow and host my app name. Gotta check it out. What's my app name? Go to my dashboard. Okay, so am I take go to app? Settings. Get my Heroku app name. So let's go open that. Woo. Cool. So this is a temporary. Nothing's been deployed here yet. But I need to change this. Then add a Postgres database. Here. Ah, fuck. Sorry. Okay. You said, I think it's a tier. Let's see what's the minimum tier. So we got Heroku, PostgreSQL, Mini. What is the minimum Heroku PostgreSQL database? What's next here? Because here it says Mini is no longer there. You can also just use this thing. So plans they had. Okay, whoo. So this is how you read it. Just look at the name, Essential O. So this is what you want to get. This is like, that's the smallest one. It's about $5 a month. It's not bad, right? Okay, so here, add on. Okay, this is where we added. So let's just remove this, paste, and here we'll just include essential 0, essential. Great. Okay, now the next step we're going to do is we're going to collect static. Collect all the static files. Prepare for Heroku deployment. So yep, commit. Okay, push Heroku main. So this is the deployment. Right, so supposedly, click, see what's been deployed, that request. So the server has been deployed. So once it's okay. Let's just run migrations if you have to. Let's check. Let's take a look. Alright, cool. So how do I check what my Heroku open, add request, see what I can about this. But get the so let's see what's in. Okay, it's recommending like yeah, something to do with the allowed host. In allowed host, there's a setting. And it's trying to also get from allowed host secrets. So that's stored in like Heroku. If you go to Heroku, we can find that. But right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna set allow all Heroku app domains. Why not? Okay, let's try again. So let's keep going. Deploy to Heroku, let's see. Okay, if you want to see the Heroku logs tail. Alright, so you see all the troubleshooting I'm doing at the same time. Okay, let's see. It's taking a while. So checking the logs. Alright. I think it's running. Just gotta wait for it to complete. Sometimes nothing you can do but wait. Sometimes you just gotta rerun it. Let's try this. Maybe the database migration has not run. Do we have Postgres? Let's see. Let's open a new terminal. Oh, nice. It's applied. Yeah, it's applied all the migrations. So now let's collect static. We don't need no input. Okay, cool. So let's go and check the Heroku configs. Debug temporarily, send blah blah blah. Okay, let's just check. Because we just ran the migrations, maybe it will work. Yes. Okay, great. So this is the blog. So my username, what is it? Let's try it in. Okay, I can't remember, so I'm just gonna create a new super user. So create super user. Real cool. Run Python manage.py create super user. Let's create admin. Winson Tan at gmail.com. With that, I haven't created this yet. Password. So let's try. Yes, I'm in save. So the only user. Cool. It's just this user is just generated via Postgres. Sorry, not Postgres. Through the Django manage.py module. So you can see over here in the block there is manage.py. So here they have like different Django administrative tasks that you can run. So one of them is actually creating a super user on the database. So we have to do that for production, and that's just what we did now. So now we can access production as admin, and let's create a post. This creates a tag dojo post 1 Webapp Foundations concluded. Private. Private. So yeah, I'm not. That's something from before. Let's see what I got in my local. I think I'm running it right now. No, this Heroku. Okay. First source bin activate. Python manage.py run server. Okay. So now if I go here. Yeah, I just copied this post I made earlier, and let's go back to, okay, you can see this is my actual app. Here. Post 1, Tech Dojo Webapp Foundations. Woo! That's what I wrote earlier. Can't believe it, but it's really happening. Kudos to our who jumped on the rapid trigger. 2-week tech workshops. 5 code your app workshops. Which one is new masters of Kitflow? You are both guns. Looking forward to your future.
Back to coding.
I am running paid coding AI workshops for my very first time. It's incredibly surreal to see tech come to life through guided coaching. Kudos to our incredible 2 workshop attendees on following the 2-week tech vibe code your app workshops so closely and well. H&H, new masters of the Kitflow. You're both guns. Save. See, this is my object. My Django Python object. So now if I just grab this. There you have it. Woo! Actually, I should make another update. It's done, and we actually did it. At least one of our workshop attendees managed to launch their blog in 4 days and have a much deeper understanding of how full stack development works. So I'm very pleased, and thank you for watching Tech Dojo. More to come.